Jake Bernstein with the Metals and Mining Report from 2Chimps.net for the week beginning the 4th of December. 4th of January 2016. Let's begin with a classic chart pattern, the rounding bottom, or what's called the saucer bottom. Here it is right over here in platinum. That's the good news. The bad news is we have not had any buy indications. The last indication in platinum was a sell right over here, and that downtrend remains intact. We don't even have any bullish divergence setups or triggers, so we have to wait. Be patient and wait for the opportunity. Keep your powder dry, it's coming. The silver short-term uptrend remains in effect. We want to look at SIL or SLV as an ETF and see what we've got there. Watch what I'm going to show you now. Bullish divergence setup right over here, and a trigger right over here the very next couple of days after the low. Now back to the original breakout point or lower. So be prepared for a turnaround here. Still very early in the trend, but we do have some buy triggers on divergence. Copper, nothing to do just yet. The trend remains seasonally bullish, but we're waiting for timing triggers. Freeport-McMoran. And what do we have on Freeport? Bullish divergence. Let me show it to you. New low in price right over here, without a new low in momentum. But remember, we need 6 days to form a low. 6 bars. What do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Insufficient. So be prepared and wait. We're still waiting for 2 complete bars above the top of the channel. Williams above its moving average. So therefore, be patient. You can also look at the weekly, which has not really changed that much. It remains in a downtrend and has been in a downtrend for quite some time, and it goes all the way back to September of 2014. No change in the gold situation either. We want to keep our powder dry. Start looking at gold mining stocks, especially the GDXJ, for an opportunity. I don't believe that we can get an increase in interest rates and an increase in the stock market and an increase in commodity prices without seeing an increase in inflation, which ultimately will affect the gold market. So that does it for today. Keep your powder dry. Wait for buy triggers on the daily charts. We'll talk to you again next week. If you have any questions, drop us a line, Elliot or Jake at 2chimps.net. Thank you very much.